Peekaboo, peekaboo, what a fun day. Babies going to the zoo to play. Animals hiding, where could they be? Let's find them all. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo, peekaboo, who's behind the tree? It's a giant elephant, come and stomp with me. Stomp, stomp, like an elephant. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, peekaboo, who's behind the rock? It's a roaring lion now, hear that mighty shock. Roar, 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 like a lion, wild and free. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, peekaboo, who's behind the swing? It's a silly monkey now, doing a monkey thing. Woo, ah, jump like a monkey in the tree. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, peekaboo, who's behind the snow? It's a waddling penguin moving to and fro. Woo, ah, waddle, waddle, waddle like a penguin. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, peekaboo, what's that by the log? It's a slithery snake hiding in the fog. Wiggle like a snake, smooth and free. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, peekaboo, where's animal? Tap your nose and take a look. Who will the next one spin around? Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo, at the zoo with me. Peekaboo,